I did say, or earlier during this opening spiel that I'm delivering, Season 91, huling nakapasok ang EAC sa finals. And that's also the last time my partner here, Anjo Pertiera, was in the NCAA and was the best blocker of the league.
Brother, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung intensity na nararamdaman natin ngayon sa loob ng Phil Arena. Sobrang grabe ang pride, umaapaw, ang intensity, ibang klase. Sobrang saya maka-witness ng ganitong klaseng laro.
And walking into the venue, Anjo, I was so excited and ready to enjoy this showcase of men's volleyball. My name is Anton Ross. By the way, later on, we will be joined at courtside by Julia Ong. Here we go. Oh, bounce ball from Andrade.
Andrade, a lefty. Ang ganda nung set, ang ganda nung play. AIAC Generals Blockers wasn't ready for that quick and very powerful play from Andrade. Grabe yun.
Great chemistry shown by the graduating setter JC and Narciso and the lefty KC Andrade. Ito naman ang sagot ng EAC. Blockers were there from the #1 blocking team in the league. But this is the guy to watch from the EAC side. #3, Irvin Patrick Osabel.
Tsaka maganda dyan, Anton. Alam naman natin at alam lahat ng kapuso natin, iba ang floor defense na meron ng EAC Generals. Kahit na medyo lamang itong Perpetual pagdating sa kanilang spiking prowess, nandyan naman yung depensa ng EAC na nako-convert nila into transition points.
That's correct. EAC is the best digging team in the NCAA. Abor, popped up by Pepito and Narciso. Back row para kay Marapok. Abor na naman. Pepito keeps it alive. What a crowd. And what a hit. Louie Ramirez.
Louie Ramirez. Kahit ang bilis ng set, ang bilis ng transitions na nangyayari sa play natin ngayon, iba pa rin yung confidence, yung pagiging kalmado ng isang Louie Ramirez na alam naman natin kung experience ng pag-uusapan, nasa kanya na lahat at alam niya na, panigurado kung anong gagawin niya sa mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Alam natin na si Louie Ramirez is part of the national team pool. But his focus right now is to win a championship in his final season dito sa NCAA.
Nakikita natin, ito rin, Anton, kung ang EAC Generals kilala pagdating sa kanilang floor defense. Ito ang Perpetual Altas kilala pagdating naman sa net defense. And defense wins championships. Alam naman natin yan, di ba?
Medalya with a block. Shadow malakas para kay KC Andrade. Now in the elimination round matchup between these two teams, Anjo, it was a sweep para sa kubunan ni Coach Sammy Acailar. So Coach Rod Palmero wants a different story here in a higher stage.
It was a sweep, Anton, tama ka dyan. Pero pinahirapan ng EAC Generals that time nung naghanap sila sa elimination round. Pero ito nga, with that very powerful kick, Louie Ramirez, medyo mababa yung set. Ginawa ng paraan, very smart play.
Louie Ramirez, the reigning MVP, averaging 17.6 points per match. He had 20 in the elimination round against EAC.
Imagine that, Anton. Ang isang set was available 25 points lang. Halos isang set ang ipinupuntos ng isang Louie Ramirez.
Blockers were there for Perpetual. Abor, avoiding the blockers. Great adjustment.
Tama nga, great adjustment. Tsaka medyo may hirap din talaga blockin itong mga lefties. Mas lalo kapag nasa opposite side sila. Kasi gamay na gamay nila. Alam nila kung saan papadaanin. Mas lalo kapag medyo tight yung angle ng blocker sa harap niya. Alam nila kung paano sisiksik yung bola papunta sa court.
It's been a while since the last time EAC won a championship. That was NCAA Season 90 with Howard Mojica. Medalya gets the point. And Medalya is fired up on offense and on defense.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. And itong big quick play ni Medalya, alam naman natin na dominant siya pagdating sa play niyan. With his long arms, alam niya kung saan papadaanin yung spike niya. Kaya ang laki ng porsyento na maging successful yung mga spikes niya.
Tabuga starting off this rally. Paglaon. Shadow malakas.
That was out. Opting for that check ball sana.
Marvin Romero, one of 3 graduating players in the starting unit para sa EAC. Actually, all of them are graduating. Yung tatlong players na nasa starting unit, Romero, Paclaon, and Diones. Medalla with another one.
Again, Medalla, another big quick set play para sa kanya. Kanina pa niya ginagawa ito. Seems like wala pang sagot tong blockers ng EAC Generals.
This first set has been dynamite and we haven't even reached the technical timeout yet. Explosive action here. And what a response by Romero.
Dito nag-excel yung EAC Generals. Nagkakaroon sila lang sobrang gandang first ball. Nakaka-set ng maayos na set play. Medyo na-delay si Medalla that time para humabol sa open set na yon. All lanes clear para sa palong yun.
Oh, an ace by Marvin Romero. And he's targeting the MVP, Louie Ramirez.
Ito isa sa technique to na kapag alam mo na yung ace player yung kalaban na laging pinupunta ng bola, laging sinesutan ng bola, papagurin mo siya, tatargetin mo siya pagdating sa service. Another one.
And Narciso, kanino siya pupunta? Kay Jefferson Marapok. And Marapok puts Perpetual on top by 2. When we come back, Julia Ong will deliver her first courtside report. What was the most shocking transfer to you?
Yung nakita mo last season na pwede ko itong kakampi. Pagkakampi ko to, champion kami.
Who would win a one-on-one game between you and Jake?
Oh! Bakit ba lumilipat ang mga players? Maraming factor yan. Yan yung susubukan natin pag-usapan at himayin kasama ng ating special guest for today. He is the reigning rookie MVP of NCAA basketball, Mr. Clint Escamis, on this episode of Game On the Podcast.
How's the preparations? Tignan mo yun.
How's it going, sports fans? I'm Anton Rojas. Welcome to Game On the Podcast, the first sports podcast of GMA, brought to you by GMA Regional TV and Synergy and GMA Digilab.
Puso, nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Men's Volleyball Finals. Walang makakampante ang sigaw ng pareho nating koponan. Though the Perpetual Alta swept the eliminations, that they have actually been doing so since Season 93. Alam nila na dito sa finals, back to zero na. Nakausap po si Louie Ramirez at binanggit niya sa akin na intensity and focus daw yung kulang pa at kailangan ma-improve. Para naman sa koponan ng EAC Generals, gigil na makabawi dahil kinulang daw talaga sila sa paghahanda noong nakaharap nila ang Perpetual during the eliminations. Kaya nabanggit naman sa akin ni Ervin Osabel na defense pattern and attacks ang inayos nila. Ma-share ko lang din na before this game, kung meditation meeting daw ang ginawa ng Perpetual to relax their minds, katahimikan kumbaga. Ang EAC Generals naman ingay dahil charades ang ginawa ng team para sa kanilang mental training and communication. Ngayon, abangan muna natin kung ano ba ang epekto ng paghahanda ng ating dalawang koponan. Balik sa inyo, Anton and Anjo.
Anjo had a funny reaction to that charades bit that Julia just reported. Kakaiba yun.
Kakaiba something new. Pero yun na nga, to keep it light, keep it fun, di ba? Mas lalo pag itong kalaking game, iba yung pressure, yung stress Kaya ano ba naman yung pag nasa dagaw tayo, chill lang tayo.
And with a crowd like this, it's very hard to block out the noise and all of the elements here in this contest. Paclaon, kanino siya pupunta? He calls his own number. Nahuli yun ni Ramirez. And Osabel gets the point.
Back-to-back kill points para kay Osabel. Before, right after the technical timeout, Osabel scored a point for the EAC Generals. Tapos siya ulit. Ito ko may Louie Ramirez, ang Perpetual Altas. Merong Osabel, ang EAC Generals.
Mataas din ang ina-average ni Ervin Osabel. 16.1 points per match.
Head-to-head matchup para sa EAC at sa Perpetual Altas.
So ito yung naging storya sa men's. It was also a step-ladder format. And EAC was number 2. They eliminated Letran, who eliminated Arellano prior. Kaya naman, sila po ang naghaharap ngayon sa best of 3.
That set was too low. Medyo pinilit. Maluwag pa.
I remember last season, the finals went to a deciding game number 3 because San Beda shocked everybody by winning game 2 in 5 sets.
That was so true, and that was a sight, that was a game to watch. Naalala ko because I was able to cover that game.
Namimiss ka na ata, Anjo, ng volleyball.
Yeah, lapitan tayo ng bola.
The game misses you, but you know, you're working so hard, even working on a Sunday.
I know.
Working double duty for your morning show. And now, back to your roots here in the NCAA. Ramirez.
Wow, what a dig!
And Romero points to the crowd.
Sige, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Kung lamang itong Perpetual, pagdating sa kanilang spiking prowess, kitang-kita naman natin ang floor defense na very present para sa side ng EAC Generals. At na-convert pa nila ito into a point. Amazing.
Osabel, he's been there for quite a while. And as I say that, the broadcaster's jinx gets me again. That's a service error for Osabel.
Indeed. Jinx happens.
Yep, you can't escape it. Andrade scored the first point in this final series. Paglaon. Romero na naman.
Mapapansin mo kanina pa nila ginagawa itong low fast sets para sa side ng EAC Generals. Kaso hindi ko sure kung medyo magiging effective siya sa mga blockers. Pero ito nga, for this play, effective siya right at this moment.
12-11, a tight opening set sa pagitan ng Perpetual at EAC.
Ang init ng laban, Anton. Literal.
And we are in suits.
Yes, and a bow tie.
Mamaya, may kita po ninyo, Anjo Pertiera sporting a bow tie. In my almost 15 years in the industry, I have never worked with somebody who wore a bow tie. This is a first, my friend.
So is the first time.
Marapok. Tabuga trying to tip the ball off the fingertips, kaya lang sumobra.
Pero nagsimula yun dahil sa isang miscommunication play para sa side ng Perpetual Antas. Dapat yung second ball gusto lang ipapalo agad kay Marapok. But then again, napunta nga sa opposite side, ginawa ng adjustment, but you know, it went out.
Jan Ruther Abor. 12.8 points per match ang kanyang naibibigay para sa Generals, and he gets an ace.
That ace serve para magtay na itong ating game. Match. Pakalitan ng putok. Sige, magandang panoorin. Side out lang.
And this guy, Jan Ruther Abor, is very tough to defend because lefty na high flyer yan.
Yes.
For a now time of 13 points.
Mas lalo pag lefty, naalala ko naglalaro pa ako. Ayokong makakatapat ako ng kaliwete. Kasi sobrang hirap nila basahin.
I remember when we first started covering Abor last season, I was saying na parang ang gaan-gaan ng katawan niya. It's like he's floating in the air. But here we go again with Medalla.
Again, another big weak set play para kay Medalla. Still no answer para sa blockers ng EAC Generals. Kahit block touch man lang, hindi nila mapabagal yung atake ni Medalla.
Medalla with that gesture is like he's welcoming all of the smoke, all of the pressure. And so is Romero.
Romero finding that line. There was a long spike, evading the blockers ng Perpetual Atlas.
I know. Even I commit that mistake.
I'm so sorry. Altas,
yes. Marapok off the block. Mapabuhangin, mapataraflex.
Yes.
Jefferson Marapok is deadly.
Lahat ng terrain kaya niyang talunan. Yun, Anton. Ito, parang may challenge ang side ng EAC Generals, but binawi.
So we have yet to see our first challenge as we see longtime EAC Generals head coach Rod Palmero and the man who led EAC to the championship back in season 90. And that's Irvin Osabel again.
A high flyer indeed. Ganda nung iwas niya. Going for that down the line attack.
It's Joshua Rivas serving for the Generals.
Ito na, napatayo na si Coach Sammy.
And what does that mean? Pag napatayo na si Coach Sammy,
Ito na yung urgency. Kaya pag tumayo na siya, pag nakita siya ng players niya, ay nako. Kailangan niya ng pumuntos.
Perpetual holding on to a 1-point lead.
I want to add the face of the NCAA. I dare say.
Lakas maka James Yap nung vibe ni Clint. Bro, steady lang.
Yeah, it had to be Clint, no?
Yeah.
Because of Clint's story coming back to the NCAA. This is where he came from in high school. And now we're starting this new platform. So Clint, maraming salamat for the time. It's great to see you again. Last time we saw you, well, last time Martin and I saw you, you were in the crowd, but we're not gonna mention that. Let's just mention Game 3 of the finals.
Parang doon ka agad pupunta. O, Clint, kamusta yung off-season mo?
After nung finals, syempre, enjoy muna. Take a breather. Went back to my home province, Davao. And yun, drink some beers and spend time with my family.
Nagpanalay ka ba sa Davao?
Hindi nagpanalay. Sabi ko,
Malinis.
basketball hiatus muna ako nun. So, yun.
Let's take a look at the elimination round meeting that Anjo Pertiera and I have been discussing. It may have been a sweep, pero tignan po ninyo yung mga scores. Dikit every set.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. At yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, kahit na sweep nga ng Perpetual Altas, itong game na to against EAC Generals, makikita natin na it's a very tight game. 2 points lang ang naging pagitan all throughout the 3 sets na nagkaroon para sa match na yun. At kung titingnan natin itong scoring department, halos pantay, halos parehas. Lahat nag-boil down na lang sa pagiging consistent. And kung sino mas gustong manalo that game.
And obviously, Perpetual has the experience advantage, lalo na sa endgame as Marapok throws that one away. We are tied again at 16.
And speaking of experience, Anton, sa mga gentong laro, experience ang isang dapat panghawakan ng isang team. Kasi doon lang gagaling kung paano ka magiging resilient, kung anong dapat gawin on a certain play. Mas lalo pag kanyang plays,
Bounce ball na naman para kay Casey Andrade. High up in the air, rising and surprising the EAC defense.
Ang ganda ng first ball ng Perpetual. Talagang napapatali yung buhay ni JC pagdating sa set plays. Makita mo siya, hindi na siya halos gumagalaw sa gitna. Nagbabato na lang siya ng set, ng plays. Papaluin na lang ng spikers niya.
And there you see the legendary Sammy Acailar, who's been the Coach of the Year for the past 3 seasons, as we see this hit by Jan Ruther Abor.
Amazing play din para sa EAC Generals. Napakagat ng Biko yung blockers ng Perpetual Altas. Kaya naman single block coverage, easy point.
And Narciso, back set. Ramirez, cross court.
Ito kay Louie, hindi baling dalawa yung blockers sa harap niya. Kahit ilan yung nasa harap niya, kayang-kayang gawa ng paraan. Basta maganda yung set, mataas, puntos agad para kay Louie Ramirez, who's part of the ALAS, the national team.
And speaking of the national team, I spy behind the Perpetual bench and he's very animated right now. Brazilian head coach Sergio Veloso.
Wow! Supporting NCAA men's volleyball. What a sight.
And of course, his player, this guy.
Di na kailangan ng intro Louie Ramirez. With another point, galing sa isang patong play.
Intensity lagi na kayo nasa taas na kasi. So, kailangan natin i-secure kung hindi nyo kayang kunin sa iloob dahil mataas yung set. Ang atrasan nyo na lang, deflect na mahina. Ngayon, dumadaan na yung bola sa inyo, nag-iaasahan pa kayo, paangatin nyo na. You have to react. Kailangan natin mas agresibo tayo sa pagpapahat ng bola. Basahin, tulungan, huwag tayo manood.
Enjoy pa.
Coach Rod reminding the EAC squad, kailangan natin ng initiative. Kung dumaan na yung bola sa harap natin, iangat na natin, huwag na nating iasa pa sa iba o sa katabi natin. At alam naman natin ng EAC Generals ang isa sa pinakamatibay pagdating sa receiving at sa floor defense.
Lodi ng San Marcelino, we've been talking about him. Irvin Patrick Osabel, and he needs to come up big kasi crucial yung timeout ni Coach Rod, Anjo, because dito nang katalo sa elimination round eh. Yung end game in every set.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. Tsaka ito, speaking of the elimination round kanina, napag-usapan natin, dikit na dikit. Kaya naman EAC Generals, kung gusto nila makakuha ng set, hindi pwedeng makipag-side outan sila sa Perpetual Atlas. Kasi alam naman natin na kung kailangan pumuntos ng Perpetual, meron silang Louie Ramirez na anytime, anywhere, kayang habulin o tumagdag pa sa puntos na meron ng Perpetual Altas.
Hey, you got it right, partner. You got it right. And we are tied at 19 all. Here we go. It's a race to 25 now. First to 6 points. Oh, yun lang.
Ito na yung endgame na pinag-uusapan natin, Anton. Hindi pwedeng sumabay ng EAC General sa mga ero na binibigay ng Perpetual Altas.
Ayan ang sinasabi ni Coach Rod Palmero. EAC committed 19 errors in that elimination round match against Perpetual. Ramirez, paglaon, back set. Jan Ruther Abor, too strong.
Too wide para kay Abor that time. Pero ang ganda sana nung option na ginawa niya, opting for that hard cross-court attack. Pero yun nga, went too wide, outside.
And JC Narciso with some gamesmanship.
Yes.
Saying, challenge nyo, sige. And that's part of the game, Anjo.
Yes.
You know this.
Yes, taunting and medyo mild trash talking. Alam mo yun, kasi pag gantong kalalaking laro, iba na yung emosyon eh. Minsan nadadala ka ng emosyon mo. No?
I think you're downplaying the mild trash talking.
Mga kapuso, mild trash talking lang po tayo dito sa NCAA.
21-20 in favor of Perpetual. Jan Ruther Abor with 5 points already.
Good serve.
And Narciso, marapok. Puntos para sa Perpetual.
Walang tao sa zone 6 sana for that check ball, for that long ball galing kay Marapok. Napabagal yung bola ng blockers, pero nga, check ball para kay Marapok.
Lithuania is in for JC and Narciso. Lithuania, sinigurado. Abor. Campfire in the middle para sa Perpetual.
Binabawi si Abor. Kung kanina sa harap hindi siya gumana, now with that backline attack galing kay Abor, very successful. Puntos para sa EAC Generals, cutting that lead into 1.
JC and Narciso is on the bench right now. Oh, and that's a problem for Perpetual.
Yes, we have a tie game. Galing sa isang services. Meron din.
Minsan, ulitin ko huwag kayo laging umaasa sa block. Dapat marunong tayong dumepensa. Maangat natin ang bola, wala problema. Naintindihan ba? Huwag yung lagi sa block. Block kayo ng block. Meron depensa kayo, aanin kayo sa loob eh.
Hey, one good pass, pare.
Good.
Hey, you first. One day.
Coach Sammy reminding Perpetual squad na huwag tayo umasa sa block. Oo, malakas tayo mag-block, pero kung makakuha man tayo ng block rebounds, better para magkaroon tayong transition plays. Huwag natin iasa lahat sa harap ng net. Dumepensa tayo sa likod.
So nakita po natin two coaches with very important reminders as we head closer to the 25-point mark here in the first set. And JC and Narciso graduating setter is back para sa koponan ni Coach Sammy Akailar. Diones with a little reminder para dito kay Marvin Romero to talk to our
Ito ng second
first referee.
Approach the court immediately, okay? Para maiwasan yung delay. Okay, thank you, thank you. Pakisabihan mo yung coach.
EAC, may pagkakataon na makuha ang lamang dito sa first set. 22-all, a floater of a serve. And Narciso, binigay kay Ramirez with a bazooka of a spike.
Right onto the shoulders of Romero. Woo! Hirap kasi ilagan ng palo ni Louie Ramirez. Ang bilis, ang lakas.
Mala Brian Bagunas na spike yun.
Nakakatakot eh. Kung ako hindi depensa doon, magtatago na ako agad. Ayoko na. Mas lalo pag walang blockers eh. Ang ganda rin kasi nung set play ni JC. Ang ganda nung ipit niya sa bola na pakagat lahat ng blockers sa harapan ng EAC Generals.
Bounce ball naman ang sagot ni Irvin Osabel. We are tied at 23-all.
Osabel, nakita niya na nakasag yung blockers ng Perpetual on his right side. Kaya naman bukas na bukas itong hard cross-court attack para kay Osabel. An awesome spike galing kay Osabel.
Ngayon naman, Coach Rod Palmero making the substitutions. And Coach Sammy Akailar calls a timeout.
Kaya ito ha, anong play na gagawin nyo?
Quick.
Ito.
5 coach. Back mo si Louie.
Si Louie, okay? Pasahan nyo na lang ha.
Maganda sila sa kita, dalawa.
Pag may pumapalo sa atin, automatic matukover. Ulitin ko, sila ang nagsiserve, tayo ang papasa. So isipin nyo sa inyo ang bola ha. So,
Guys,
go
for last!
Go for last!
Okay, advantage. One good pass. Go.
Sobrang simple nung timeout ni Coach Sammy. Parang kinuwento lang niya kung ano yung mangyayari. Sila magsuserve, tayo re-receive, tayo a-atake. Kapag a-atake tayo, lahat ko cover tayo. Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi siya yung nag-set ng play, hinayaan niya si JC Narciso gumawa ng plays para sa teammates niya.
Rookie ang magsaserve. Si Frelwin Takulog. Tatargetin ba niya si Louie Ramirez? I think he has his eyes set on Ramirez. Yes, tinarget niya si Louie. JC Do, off a good pass. Paglaon, tossing it off to Osabel. And Osabel scores off the block. EAC at set point.
And Coach Rod was very happy for that point para sa EAC Generals. Kung makikita nyo lang yung reaksyon ng isang Coach Rod, grabe.
Irvin Osabel soars and scores to put EAC at set point. Perpetual has only dropped 3 sets this season.
Nice serve.
And Narciso to the middle. Andrade, goodbye.
Ang bilis bumawi ng Perpetual Altas. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na ang daming options ni JC Narciso kung kanino niya ibibigay yung bola. Kahit crunch time yan, may it be a middle blocker, may it be an open spiker, or may it be an opposite spiker.
What a start to our final series. This is game number 1 and Marapok throws it away.
Awas, too long para kay Marapok. Lamang ulit ang EAC Generals.
Nerves, perhaps.
Woo!
The setter, John Michael Paglaon, starting this rally. And Narciso to Ramirez. And he gets roofed.
Wow!
Jan Ruther Abor with a denial on the MVP.
Abor with a single block coverage para kay Louie Ramirez. Single block, Anton.
I am getting goosebumps. EAC takes the opening set.
Wow!
As Abor raises the roof.
4th set na tinalo ng Perpetual Altas for the whole season na meron tayo, Anton. At dito pa talaga sa finals game 1.
Pero nagsisimula pa lamang tayo mga kapuso. We'll be back for set number 2.